Hello email marketers, thanks for checking out another video from How to Webmaster. My name is Leon, and today I want to talk to you guys about email delivery rates. So which autoresponders or email marketing services, tools like GetResponse, Aweber, ConstantContact, MailChimp, so which one of these services are the best in getting your promo messages, your emails to your subscribers? And here, Email Tool Tester, this is a company that have tested the top autoresponder email marketing services, and they have compiled a list which is here, and I will include the links in the description below this video, so be sure to check that out. So this is from 2018, and they tested the email deliverability report, and they've tested this experiment for several months, and here are the results. Deliverability results percent. So the highest is ActiveCampaign with 96%, ConstantContact 93%, and surprisingly I thought MailChimp would actually be higher up, but they are quite low, as you can see here, average. And the worst is, among the worst is GetResponse, Aweber, Sendinblue. So this one is not that popular, but definitely GetResponse. I've used them for many years, and they've been on a decline, so I'm not too surprised to see this down here. Aweber is surprisingly, I thought they would be better, but for sure ActiveCampaign, I'm actually using them right now, and I've been using them for many years actually. I've also used ConstantContact, pretty good as well. So Drip, I've never heard of. MailerLite, never used them. ConvertKit, I think this is a newer company, but these guys, ActiveCampaign and ConstantContact, they've been in the game for a long time, and apparently they're still have the highest deliverability results. So that's very good for them. Highly recommend it. So here are some more stats and descriptions. So I want to show you guys this right here. So nowadays Gmail is among the top email service providers for personal emails, just like Yahoo email and Microsoft, AOL, Hotmail. So Gmail, they have if you have a Gmail account, you have a Gmail inbox which goes into your primary inbox, and then you have a Gmail promo inbox where all the advertisements and spammy looking emails may end up in the promo inbox. So this is pretty important. As you can see here, ActiveCampaign has almost, according to this experiment, has 100% Gmail inboxing rate. This is the primary email inboxing rate. And surprisingly, MailChimp goes straight to the promo inbox. So usually in your Gmail, in the promo inbox, people don't even look at it, so it might as well be spam right here. So all the other services have pretty good, or almost 100% primary inboxing rate. So with ActiveCampaign, they go straight 100% through all the other popular email providers, Yahoo, Microsoft, AOL. And MailChimp does pretty good as well with Yahoo, but only 40% with the Microsoft, which is Hotmail. And that is extremely low. So this means it ends up in the spam folder of Microsoft, or maybe doesn't even reach the Hotmail email. So here, so Aweber is pretty bad as well. ConstantContact 100% across the board as expected. So MailChimp surprisingly is low, and then Aweber. So these two are probably two of the biggest autoresponder email marketing tools or services providers, and they have pretty terrible results. So this is for 2018 and 2019. I want to see if ActiveCampaign or the list still remains similar to last year's 2018. So ActiveCampaign is still the king at 97% delivery rate. ConstantContact has moved to 3rd place. MailerLite has moved to 2nd place. I've never used these guys, so I can't vouch for them, but ActiveCampaign and ConstantContact, I've used both, and I'm still using ActiveCampaign. And the last place, Benchmark, never used them as well. Aweber, surprisingly, pretty low here. Get response average. MailChimp seemed to be a little bit better, but still pretty low, because they are probably one of the most popular providers out there. They have a lot of money, so being 4th place is not ideal for them. So this measures least likely and most likely to be flagged as spam. So again, ActiveCampaign, ConstantContact, least likely to be flagged as spam, and Aweber most likely, along with Mailify and Benchmark. So if you're shopping around for reliable email marketing services, definitely look at this list. And overall, the ratings, again, ActiveCampaign and ConstantContact, the two top. And these guys offer free trials, so why not check them out? Sign up. Please use my affiliate links below in the description of this video. It'll help me out a lot for making these types of videos. So ActiveCampaign, ConstantContact, highly recommend them for sure. And here are the new stats for the inboxing rate. So if it's gonna hit the main inbox or not. So this means it can end up, if it's not in the main inbox, then it can end up in the promo inbox or spam here. So ActiveCampaign, again, 95%. ConstantContact is next in line, almost 85%. So at this rate, at this point, with all these stats, ActiveCampaign is definitely reigning supreme among the top email marketing services out there. And very surprised to see Aweber so low down here. And along with MailChimp, these guys have been in the game for a long time. Have been at the top. They've been at the top. They have a lot of cash. And I'm not sure why their services are suffering so much. And this is similar to, actually these are a little bit different now. So ActiveCampaign still 100%, and somehow Get Response is 100% with the Gmail, but at Hotmail they only do 20% delivery. And here are the new stats for these guys. So apparently MailChimp and Aweber only have a 40% chance of reaching the Gmail inbox, and Aweber does horrible against Hotmail, and MailChimp is pretty bad as well. So these results are not, of course, are not 100%. They were used. It depends on the delivery servers at the time they were used to test out this experiment. So these results are not definitive, but it definitely gives you some ideas of which one are actually reliable. As you can see, year after year, ActiveCampaign has been the top along with ConstantContact. So these guys are doing something right, and I would definitely recommend you guys to check those tools out, services out, ActiveCampaign, ConstantContact. So overall results, again, year after year, ConstantContact, ActiveCampaign 1 and 2. So please check them out. The links are provided in the description below this video, along with the experiments. And thanks again for viewing this video. My name is Leon from How to Webmaster. Please check back for more internet marketing tips and tricks. Be sure to subscribe. Please leave a comment, and if you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks again, and happy marketing.